Hello, my name is Andrea. I am a student at UCSD Extension in San Diego, California, and this is my second speech for the Introduction to Interpretation class. I'm going to be talking about how to get a job under an F1 visa, and I'm also going to share some of my experience as an international student working in the United States. My first speech was about what an F1 visa is, and I explained that you can be with this visa an international student in the United States, but it's not a work visa. However, you can find a job on campus. This is the only way to work legally in the United States when you are under an F1 visa. This job on campus is going to allow you to work 20 hours. That's the amount of hours that you will be allowed to work under the F1 visa to get some extra money. Most people that is looking for a job on campus ends working at the cafeteria, the library, research labs, or at the admissions office. In all these instances, you are an employee of the university. So this means that if you are going to work, you will need a social security number. The office where you're going to work at is going to help you to get the social security number by giving you an acceptance letter that you will have to take with you to the social security office. Once you get your social security number, you will be able to start working on campus. But this social security number is going to be legal to use just on campus. You won't be able to work outside of the campus. If you do it, you would be working illegally. Um, as an international student, I went to a college named Palomar College, and I decided to work during my second semester, and I found a job at the Students Affairs Office. I was in charge to issue ID for students, and I really enjoy my job. I used to work 15 hours a week. It was a really easy job, but at the same time, it was complicated because English is not my first language. And this job really helped me to practice more my English. I was able to meet more people, and moreover, I was able to get some extra income for my living expenses in the United States. I worked for this office for total a year and a half. Um, it was also nice to work for them because I was able to help people who didn't speak English. So I was also helping Spanish speakers who needed to get their IDs at school, and sometimes they were not able to communicate with English speakers. So I was able to help them to get their ID. I was able to explain to them the benefits that they get with the student ID. And this also made my office to send me to other campus where I was able to work with ESL students, and I was able to communicate with them sometimes in Spanish and give them their student ID. So every day I had to be in this office for around 4 hours, and I had to take the pictures of every student, explain the benefits of the ID cards to them, and hand them the card. I was also in charge of helping the office with the different on-campus activities. So any club fair that we had or any sports fair, I was able to set up the event with my office, and I was also able to keep promoting the benefits that the ID card had. It was a really nice experience. I also had some international students around me that were working in other offices. Some of them were working at the math labs and some others at the chemistry lab, and they really enjoyed as well. This is going to help you also to understand a little bit more the culture in the United States and make more friends. So, in conclusion, if you are in the United States and you want to get some extra money, you really want to find a job, go to the website of the university or college where you are at and check for the jobs they list. And call and ask if they hire international students. Explain to them that you're allowed to work 20 hours a week and you probably find something quickly. This is going to help you, as I said, to get some extra money, but this is also going to help you to practice more your English in case you want to practice more English. And at the end of the day, you will have some experience that you can share later if you stay in the United States and you need to find a job later on. I hope this information is helpful, and I hope you guys can understand everything that I tried to explain to you today. Have a nice day.